We are cutting across to more breaking developments now. This is the high-speed expendable aerial target, or HEAT, that has been successfully flight tested earlier today by the DRDO from the Integrated Test Range, Chandipur, off the coast of Bay of Bengal in Odisha. You're looking at the first still images of that flight test. Now, why is this important? Because during the trial, this target was flown from a ground-based controller in a pre-designated flight path at a subsonic speed. The vehicle can be used as an aerial target for evaluation of various missile systems during the test flight. Also, low altitude flight capability with radio, altimeter, and loop are also being demonstrated. Niranjan has more details of what we are looking at on our screens. Niranjan.
Just getting in some details of the Abhyas, the high-speed expendable aerial target, or HEAT, as it's called, successfully flight tested today by the DRDO from the Integrated Test Range, Chandipur, off the coast of Bay of Bengal in Odisha. During the trial, the target was flown from a ground-based controller in a pre-designated flight path at subsonic speed, and the vehicle can be used as an aerial target for evaluation of various missile systems. During the test flight, low-altitude flight capability with radio altimeter and in loop were demonstrated. IR flares were ignited from the ground station during the test flight. It sounds like it is a lot of technical details, but just to sort of tell you some of the key points of what this is. This is completely developed by the DRDO. It's called the Abhyas, high-speed expendable aerial target. And just to give you an idea of what it's capable of, two demonstrator vehicles, were cleared earlier for the evaluation parameters, like 5-kilometer flying altitude. So they can fly at an altitude of 5 kilometer. A vehicle speed will be basically it's a missile with a vehicle speed of 0.5 Mach, or half the speed of sound, and endurance of about 30 minutes. So it can be in the air for about 30 minutes. So it's basically a drone that will be used as a target for various missile systems. A drone that will be used as a target for missile systems. It is powered by a small gas turbine engine, and it is a fully autonomous flight. So once it takes off, its mission is to just seek and kill. So that's a little bit about this, and it's used as a target for evaluation of various missile systems. The background is that this is also a second or third time that the target vehicle has been flight tested successfully. The first successful test we see was in May 2019. This is completely sort of successfully flight tested by the DRDO, and once again we're putting our might on display. Back to you for now.
Niranjan, for the moment, thank you.